At the end of the video, you'll find a valuable gift. It's a quality business plan template that you can download and modify to prepare a professional business plan for your business. If you are new to this channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button for more videos like this. Starting a 3D printing business can be an exciting venture, but it requires careful planning and execution. Here are 10 tips to help you get started. 1. Market research. Understand the market demand for 3D printing services in your area. Identify your target audience and competitors. Determine the specific niche or industries you want to serve. 2. Business plan. Create a detailed business plan outlining your goals, target market, services, pricing strategy, and financial projections. Consider factors such as equipment costs, materials, labor, and operating expenses. 3. Legal considerations. Register your business and comply with local regulations. Obtain any necessary licenses or permits for operating a 3D printing business. 4. Invest in quality equipment. Invest in reliable 3D printers and other necessary equipment. Stay updated on the latest technology trends in 3D printing. 5. Offer diverse services. Explore different 3D printing services such as prototyping, custom design, and small-scale production. Consider offering post-processing services like painting, finishing, or assembly. 6. Build an online presence. Create a professional website showcasing your services and portfolio. Utilize social media platforms to promote your business and engage with potential customers. 7. Networking. Attend industry events, trade shows, and networking functions. Build relationships with potential clients, suppliers, and other professionals in the 3D printing industry. 8. Quality control. Ensure high-quality output by implementing rigorous quality control processes. Test and calibrate your 3D printers regularly to maintain accuracy and reliability. 9. Educate your customers. Educate your clients about the benefits and possibilities of 3D printing. Provide clear information about your services, materials, and pricing. 10. Customer service. Prioritize excellent customer service to build trust and loyalty. Communicate transparently with clients about project timelines, costs, and any potential challenges. Remember, the 3D printing industry is dynamic, so staying informed about emerging technologies and market trends will be crucial for the long-term success of your business. That concludes the video. Now it's time you get your free business plan template. Go to the description below this video to get it now. It is completely free, no strings attached. Thanks for watching. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe so you don't miss any future content.